Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will guide you to download Snapchat on your Android device. Snapchat is another fun application used to share snaps and chat with friends. Here you can add text, filters and draw on the images. Capturing snaps using geofilters and maintaining streaks has been exceptionally a trend in these days. To enter into this fun world, you will have to first install Snapchat on your device. I will absolutely help you to do that. First of all, just make sure you have good internet connection. Then get started by clicking on Google Play Store. On the search box, type Snapchat. Otherwise, you can also tap on the mic icon and say Snapchat. Then this screen will appear. Then tap on the install icon. After when you tap on the install icon, it will start downloading. This might take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but keep patience. Here your Snapchat application is successfully installed. Trust me, this process is the easiest. Hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, comment down below for any feedbacks. I will soon be back with more tutorial video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you later.